this video about how nanoceramic coating protect car paints from damage deterioration. Everyone has a dream to drive a new car every day, and nanoceramic coating can make the dream come true. It is a proof that nanoceramic coating can keep our car paint colors glossy and shining. Also, the main purpose of nanoceramic coating to our cars is to protect car paints from deterioration, also we call color fade. Therefore, we can keep our cars as a new one and driving it as new car every day. Nanoceramic coating can protect car paints. Normally, one best nanoceramic coating can form one strong bond directly to the surface area of clear coats, which are the outmost car painting. That means if the clear coat of car painting is broken and then some damages will quickly penetrate into the inside of car paint, and it causes the paint fading. With the protection of one best nanoceramic coating product, it will quickly harden to withstand those damaged items like UV rays, salt, chemicals or any other pollutants into the painting surface. Then you will have new car every day. One question: do you know how many step process for automotive paint? There are a total 4-step process for automotive painting. Firstly, it is the bare surface. People should use one material to lightly sand on the bare surface, and the material can remove contaminants. Also, it can provide a microscopic pattern, then the paint can adhere finally. And the second step is to provide the base coat. Thirdly, it is a step for actual paint applied. Also, this step is very complicated to ensure the entire surface area well covered. Finally, that is the clear coating. It is the outmost top of car painting. It is applied to protect the inside car paint surface. Therefore, as we told before, once this clear coating is broken, then all contaminants will eventually damage to car paint, which finally cause color fade. Except for human factors, what other factors cause car paint fading? Their main sources are UV rays, salt, dilution and some abrasive materials. UV rays. As we know, UV lights come from sunshine. When our cars are exposed under sunshine, it will be very hot. Then UV light continually hit the clear coat to break into real car paint surface. Then the UV light slowly penetrates into the inside coating to heat the car paint. As we know, the combination of heat and oxygen is the main factor to produce oxidation. After the heat into underlayer of car paint, then it slowly causes oxidation to the metal and it occurs the fading. Salt is also one main source to damage our cars. If those people around ocean areas, then they will easily understand, or they will usually come to the truth that those metal surfaces always be rusty in short time. What happens to it? Honestly speaking, this occurs by salt. As in those ocean area, salts can be adhered to any surfaces everywhere, and it can suck into the surface to damage or cause rust. For example, if salt on our cars, then UV light heats to the salt, then it starts to eat away at the top of car paint coating, that is the clear coating, and eventually penetrate into the underlayer of car paint. Finally, it gets into the bare metal and cause our cars rusty rapidly. Therefore, we like to suggest our customers who are living near ocean areas to choose the best car care products to take good care to their cars. Pollution problem. As we know, pollution is one global topic, as it will bring illness to people, and it will damage to our livings. How pollution harms to our cars. Truth speaking, dilution produces amounts of carbon particulates which are very hard in jagged materials, and it hitting the clear coat or scarring on the clear coat. Slowly it will end up the clear coat and go into the real paint surface to cause paint fading. Also, pollution will cause acid rain, and acid rain will also damage to our car paint. Here you can well understand how pollution is so pesky. Last but not least, when you clean your cars, what kinds of tool you choose to wash your cars. That is very essential. Just make a simple example. If we use one bad quality towel to wash our face, what kind of feeling? It will be terrible to our face and a bit hurt, as it is abrasive. Therefore, if you use one cleaning tool with abrasive materials to wash your cars, since abrasive act like one sandpaper and it will dig into your car paint surface to break the clear coating, then UV light can easily come into the bare car surface to cause oxidation and make it to be rusty. In short, if you really want to save your money to take good care for your car, you need to choose good quality of car care products, or you will really waste your time and money. Finally,